Hi everyone! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to view all purchase orders in QuickBooks Online. This is an important skill for business owners and accountants who need to manage inventory and track spending effectively. First, open your web browser and go to the QuickBooks Online website. For quicker access in the future, consider adding it to your bookmarks. From the product options, make sure you select QuickBooks Online. This step is important to ensure you're in the right platform. Next, log in with your QuickBooks credentials. Having your login details ready will help you get started smoothly. Once inside, look at the menu on the left-hand side and click on Reports. This section gives you access to detailed financial data. In the search bar at the top, type Open Purchase Order List. QuickBooks will show helpful suggestions as you type. Select the suggestion for Open Purchase Order List. You'll now see a complete display of all your active purchase orders in one place. You can sort and filter these purchase orders to tailor the view to your specific needs. This makes managing your transactions clearer and more efficient. By using this method regularly, you'll keep your records organized and improve financial oversight. And that's how you view all purchase orders in QuickBooks Online. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more QuickBooks tutorials.